Hey guys, welcome to the Measure Scheme, where we try to turn our hindsight into your foresight. Now, I'm just about to get ready for a meeting that I'm about to have, but I thought that I would just, share this thought that came into my mind, and it's something that I've said in the past to various people. But obviously, in Tix and Measure Scheme, the reason why we talk about turning hindsight into foresight is because for us, our aim is to make your lives better and more fruitful. That's the reason why we go out of our way to help out, whether it's in schools, secondary schools, or the people who come to us on a one-on-one basis. And we're always trying to help people both in front of the camera, behind the scenes. And just because you don't see us doesn't mean we're not trying to help people out. But ultimately, for all of us, when it comes to our life, we always come to a place where life hits us. It slaps us in the face and it gives us a junction, it gives us a T-junction, a speed bump, and it just tells you, oh boy, make a decision and what you're going to do. Now, I came to here just to say that most of your development and most of your growth will not happen in your comfort zone, and for you to embrace being uncomfortable. And I mean being uncomfortable in a positive way, not being comfortable in your discomfort, in the sense of that some people are low-key in bondage, they're in places where they shouldn't be, they're in relationships they shouldn't be, they're in situations they shouldn't be, and they're comfortable in that, and within that it's now become their comfort zone. No, I'm talking about being outside your comfort zone in a place that stretches you. It doesn't mean that you know everything, but it's almost uncharted waters, because for some people the reason why they don't leave that bad relationship, that bad environment, is because now it's become their comfort zone and they're comfortable in that discomfort. And to stretch outside that comfort zone may be a case of them saying to themselves, as much as this person might treat me wrong, or this situation might not be happy, or this work is not fulfilling and I'm actually getting depressed, I'm not sure I can find a new work, I'm not sure I can find a new boo, I'm not sure I'm going to find somebody who will love or care about me, I'm not sure I can find another opportunity like this. And you have to understand, yes, that mindset, everybody has it at some point in time, but you have to overcome it, because no growth happens within your comfort zone. You cannot a gas cannot continue, it can only expand to the size of the container which it's containing. So if the container is as big as a tanker, the gas will expand to be that. But if it's as small as this, the gas will fill in that. And that's what we are. We expand to fill the space that we give ourselves as opposed to what is given to us. And now my main message in this is to let you know that the biggest risk in life is not taking a risk. It's not taking a risk. It's better for you to, if when you realize that for most of the things that give you anxiety about, and all the endeavors, all the dreams you have, when you realize that the biggest thing that could happen, the worst thing that could happen, is that somebody tells you no, someone rejects you. Okay, but at least you tried, you knew, you didn't grow up going around saying, oh, I could have been this. You don't know if you could have been. You have situations where it's like you finally find the both Mando and girl, you probably had this situation. You finally find the courage to go say hi to that girl, and the girl's just like, fam, I've been waiting for you. You took your time. I've been here. I've been here. And sometimes for you, it's just about stepping out of your comfort zone. And yeah, sure, you might flop, but that's life. There's no guarantees in anything that you want to do. One thing as us as human beings that we strive to have or strive to gain is security and assurances. And that's one thing life really doesn't give to you. Coronavirus came in this year, slapped you up, oh boom, 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 oh you think you had a job, or you think you had a mortgage, or you think you're secure, or you think your dreams are going the way it was going, you think your relationship was going the way it was going, you think everything was going the way it was going. Everything can just flip on a hit, just like that. But if you don't endeavor to take any risks in your life, you are most likely to live an unfulfilled life, because all your dreams that you have that remain as dreams, that are dreams right now, there's going to be an element of risk for you to go and gain that. And so what we're urging you in this video is, take risks, but don't take stupid risks, but take risks nonetheless. To be honest, it's better that you're taking some risk in life than taking no risk. If someone who the biggest risk in life is not taking a risk, so if you think you're keeping it safe, it's long. It's just like, for example, for those who don't take out any form of credit, it's going to be hard for you to get home because you have no credit. You know what I mean? But you think you're being very responsible because you have no credit, no debt, no nothing. But debt is the vehicle in which people actually excel, and that's how they build wealth, and that's how they build money to build money. Similarly, in life, our debt, our credit to life is putting ourselves out there and taking the risks, and more importantly, doing that beyond our comfort zone and expanding our comfort zone to be able to actually deal with what is life throwing at us. Now, for most of us, we are praying for a lot of things. We are dreaming for a lot of things. We're putting words of affirmation for a lot of things. We're hoping for a lot of good things to come in our way. But sometimes you haven't asked yourself that the blessing that you are asking to receive now, whether it's from God, any entity that you believe in, or just the universe, are you even ready to receive that? Okay, I want to be a manager of a whole damn company, but have I stretched myself to even be able to manage 5 people? Have I been able to have strong, difficult conversations with that person? Have I been able to push myself? Have I been able to hold myself to account? Do I even wake up on time? Small challenges that puts us out of our comfort zone. Yeah, be comfortable. Yeah, enjoy life. But if you're not taking any risks within this life, then you, my friend, are pretty much going to stay where you are. And it's comfortable where you are, isn't it? But there's no progress. So I hope you have a lovely day. This has been Tix and Measure Scheme. I don't know if you reached the end of this video, but regardless if you did or you didn't, God bless you. Please subscribe because it helps us out. Hit the like button because it helps us out. If you didn't get anything from this video, hit the dislike button so it lets us know that we need to do better and we need to be better in the way we deliver these videos. But ultimately, it's almost time for my meeting. I hope you have a blessed day. Take care and love.